Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of Bluetooth mouse not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Here's the thing. First of all, right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side. Select devices in the right pane. Make sure that it is either connected using the 2.4G receiver or directly. So once you're sure that it is connected, then you can go to the system tab, scroll down, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and click on run corresponding to the Bluetooth troubleshooter. If that doesn't help either, then search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list and then go to mice and other pointing devices. Right click and update all the mouse drivers. Okay. So this is how you can fix this issue of Bluetooth mouse not working on Windows 11. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.